AL822, depending on the material that you're trying to, let's call it braze together, it's going to be aluminum. The thicker the stuff is, the hotter it's going to have to be, the more heat you're going to have to put to it, the more effort it's going to take. This stuff's pretty thick. If you're trying to fix an evaporator, it doesn't take nearly that much heat. If you're trying to braze together 2 beer cans, you got to put that torch on low and be very quick because you'll burn right through it. As you see, it works. There's a lot of haters on the internet say it doesn't work. Right there, it works. Oh, motherfucker! Woo! It's hot. Yeah, buddy. All right. There's nothing else holding that on there. You got to get it hot enough that the atoms or whatever want to bond together.